Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're here with me, thank you so much for being on this journey with me. And today we're gonna use some Lebanese. You see this? See how big it is? Zucchini. So we have different types. I've used this one before and make juice, so I'm just showing you the difference. I'm gonna put this up back in the fridge, and we're gonna use one cucumber, piece of ginger, one lime, and a piece of celery, half of celery. So this is the half. So I'm gonna be washing up all my ingredients, and I will be right back. So let's just quickly take the plastic off this. Okay, so we're gonna wash everything and I'll be right back. So we are going to cut up our celery. And now we're gonna cut our zucchini in half. Gonna chunk it up, put it in chunks. I'm wondering if I should leave this to decorate what I'm doing. And today I don't think I'm gonna use my apple corer. Apples are small, so I'm just gonna pop them in. So we're gonna peel one of our lime, and this is very good. So we are gonna get into our juicing. I think I'm thinking, guys, what to do. Oh, should I just... Yes, this is nice. So I'll put this aside. To do some decoration. And guys, everything that I'm using here is for weight loss, it lower blood pressure, and I will list some of the things in the video. So let's get on with our juicing. So here we have our ingredients: 2 bowls, apples and zucchini over there. So we're gonna put them into our juicer. Pop the lid. We're gonna put some zucchini in, cucumbers, a few apples, lime, ginger, Okay, we're gonna start our juicing. So everything is in our juicer, and do you know that the Lebanese zucchini improve your eyesight and it manage the blood sugar level also? So for those who have diabetic, you can make this juice. And the apple is the sweetener, and if you don't want it too sweet, you can add some water. So regular consumption provides nutrients that can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration in your eyes. So wow. The zucchini also boosts your immune system. It is packed with vitamin C. So guys, who would want to have something like this, a nice glass every day? It's very refreshing, and it reduces inflammation and repair your tissues also. So this is a powerhouse, another powerhouse drink. So everybody wants to, stay healthy. Look at how it has been crushed and squeezed. We have half a mixing bowl, and it's getting close to the time where we let our juice out. Let's keep going. Just pop in some celery in the top. And the celery helps to reduce blood pressure. So eat healthy, guys. Drink healthy. Now we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. Here you have it. So we're gonna continue our juicing. We're gonna add some more in the juicer, some more fruits, and keep going. So you can get potassium from zucchini, magnesium, vitamin K, folate, and much more, fiber, vitamin B6, copper. So this drink is loaded, and I urge you guys to try making juice. Do your own thing. You can come up with juice ideas and make juice just as I'm doing right now. So we have our mixing bowl is almost full. So we're gonna let out our second batch of juice in a few minutes. And now we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. Wow, look at that. The ginger in the drink help with the inflammation and much more. So the lime hydrates your body. The apple is the sweetener. An apple a day keep the doctor away. And guys, don't throw out your trash. You can make smoothie, because I eat them sometimes, trust me, and it's good for the gut. This drink contains a small amount of iron, calcium, zinc, and several other B vitamins. So, and it is so green and nice. Guys, I drink this before I go to my bed, and you can know it works on my body. I get up the next morning and I feel so fresh. I just grab a next glass because it is so refreshing. I had to. Most mornings I just make some fresh juice, and guys, get in the habit of making your juice. So now we're gonna let out our third batch of juice. Here you have it. So we're gonna continue with our juicing. I have just take out one of my Covin Revo 830 jug to use. So we are down to the last bit of fruits. We're not gonna get a entire mixing bowl from this. We're just gonna get a small amount. We'll add it to what we have. Now we're gonna let out our last bit of juice. You almost get a full jug. So we are gonna serve our drink. So let's get into it. So guys, we're gonna serve our drink. I've mixed them all together. And it is tasting so nice. Wow. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. And don't forget, health is wealth. See you in the next one.